लिखने के लिए तैयार हो जाएं। रेडी, स्टार्ट। फ्रॉम व्हाट आई नो ऑफ सेड्रिक स्प्रिंग, ही हैज़ नो क्लेम्स टू सुप्रीम cleverness. It would be safer to describe him as a spruce young fellow with a very strong belief in himself. He is possibly a bit masterful in his manner, but he is the more likely to succeed because of his liking for work. Nor do I think he is in any extreme sense a pleasure seeker. Far from it. I am sure there is no more honorable fellow in the city, and it will surprise me if he fails to make a name for himself. As he lives near me, I travel with him several days a week, and I must say he has a plausible tongue which should assist him in his business. Para change. We are surprised to know from your favor of the 6th of August of the extremely long delay in the delivery of the surrey and books. So far as we can discover, there is no very clear reason for the delay. We have looked into the case, as you may be sure, and it is still a mystery. Mr. Strong, our dispatch clerk, expressly disclaims any blame, but if possible, he will take more care with the books still to come. He will personally supervise the addressing of the parcels. But by the way, we hope to have the new Uxbridge book ready very soon. It will be in the same style as our classical library. Stop.